How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're my idol.
Oh, thank you.
I'm the guitarist too.
Oh, good. Wow.
You've got great ear.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thanks. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
How are you? Thank you.
I'm fine. This is gift for you. My friends.
Will you give it to Adam right here?
Adam. Okay.
Thanks, man.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Your friend's band or your band?
My friend's band.
Cool.
Hi, Mike. Hi, Chester.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very excited to see you.
Thanks, man. I'm excited to play tonight. Oh, thank you very much. Very nice. Hello.
Hi, Rob.
How are you?
How are you?
DBS.
Thank you.
Great shows.
Thank you very much.
You got it, right? Double handshake. Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi Rob.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm a drummer too. I'm a big inspiration.
Thank you, man. How long have you been playing?
Any chance of playing drums?
How many years? You play for years?
6.
Oh, 6 years.
Any chance of playing drums on the show?
You want to play drums during the show? You know how to play all of our songs?
Yeah.
You played the whole show?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Fill in for me tonight. I'll take the night off. I'll take the night off if you want to play the whole show.
But today?
The whole show, yeah. You got to play the whole all the songs. You play?
Yeah, I can play.
For sure. These guys are all relying on you. If you mess up, the whole show's going to collapse.
Hi.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.